In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot CrookCatcher app. If you are encountering any challenge with your CrookCatcher app, then just follow these steps to fix your app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So first, you need to access CrookCatcher app info page. You can access the app info page by going to settings. So if you go to settings here and then go to apps and tap on manage apps or all apps. Here, search for your app by name to be able to see it and hit is. If I tap on it, I'll access the app info page. Alternatively, you can access the same page by going to your app, long press on it, and you should see app info here. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. If you tap on it, you will be on the same page. Now at this point, you need first to stop the app by tapping on force stop and then OK. Then head to clear data here and tap on it, then choose clear cache, and this will remove unnecessary files that might be causing your app to malfunction. Once you are done, you need to restart your smartphone and now your app should be working. However, if it is still not working, then come again to app info and this time around clear all data. By clearing all data, you'll not lose anything. However, you'll be logged out and therefore you'll need to log in afresh. However, if this does not work, then you need to check from your Google Play Store or App Store if we have any update for your CrookCatcher app and then update it to the latest version. However, if you still have issues with your app such as the app crashing, then for that you need to uninstall your app and then install it afresh. This will fix any bugs that might be associated with your CrookCatcher app. So that's how you can troubleshoot your CrookCatcher on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.